See everybody, these all are items. Now my sister is going to say about healthy food and junk food. Amrita, please come to your place. Start.
Hello everyone, it's Amrita. I'm saying healthy foods and bad foods. Okay, start it. This one is junk. This one is dairy milk. This one is biscuit. This one is jelly. This one is cake. This one is Maggi. This one is chocolate. This one is jam. So,
These are
junk foods. This one bottle corn. This one rich corn. This one carrot. This one tomato. This one
Say again.
This one is potato. This one
Say.
This is one sweet potato. This one beans.
Say.
Cucumber. This one green mango. This one brinjal. This one nimakai. These are